it again. Okay, people, what we have today is breakfast. And from right to left, I got hash browns. This is eggs Benedict, but I think it's with salmon. We got your Belgian waffles, sausage, ham, grits. We have French toast here, strawberry jam, bacon and eggs, toast. And we're in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know if we're allowed to go to the beach or not, but I would sure love to get into some of that blue-green water. Amazing country. They're going through a bit of a struggle right now, but you know, keep your head up, San Juan. They're going through some issues right now with their government. So, I don't know how far they're going to let us go into the island, but I would love to go and get some of the native food, watch them cook it, get some footage of them eating it, or myself eating it. But we're going to see how that goes, because I'm not sure exactly how far they're going to let us go inland. But it's a beautiful city, man. It is nice. The colors is amazing. People are awesome. And we're gonna be we'll get off in a few minutes, and I'm gonna have plenty more footage to show y'all. I know I'm not gonna be able to eat all this food. I'm definitely gonna try. I'm kind of working my way around until I get satisfied. Okay? Got eggs here. Wait a minute. Tabasco. Tabasco makes the egg special. See what I'm saying? It's jam. Never tasted anything like it. I don't have plenty of jams and jellies. Grits are universal. Many countries have them. Cooked to perfection. Now, I take this Tabasco sauce hot. I don't eat a whole lot of pork, but I'm on vacation, so we're gonna try some of it. Alright. We had pork bacon in one place, maybe some pork bacon in another. Pork bacon is gonna always taste the same. I'm gonna try the eggs Benedict. Look at that.